Hey guys, welcome back to Hair Chapel. This is what the Ghana zip looks like. It actually looks like a zip on our clothes. Why it's called Ghana zip, I don't know. Maybe it was invented by my people, Ghanaians. Any Ghanaians in the house? So if you have a long hair and you are trying to tuck it into short braids, you should choose this method. It will shorten your hair beautifully without cutting it. Let's quickly start by sectioning out our hair. And then we attach the braiding hair. We go around once or twice, positioning the natural hair in between the two braiding hair strands. Now that we have it in the middle, we add a little bit of the braiding hair to the natural hair in the middle to make it longer. We now start braiding by taking the middle hair behind the right braiding hair to the middle, and then behind the left braiding hair to the middle again. Yes, just like this. And it goes on like that right through till the middle hair finishes or becomes shorter. Look how short the middle hair has become. So we add a little more of the braiding hair and then we braid down. We have finished tucking in all of the natural hair. So we are going to just go ahead and braid. So guys, yep, that's all there is to the Ghana zip. Do give it a try. Bye bye.